The NBA has finally released the lineups para sa darating na NBA 2025 All-Star Game. You know what time it is? Hands in. Parang wala namang masyadong pinagbago sa West, pero sa East, doon ako nagkaroon ng changes. Unahin natin yung sa West. You have Steph Curry, LeBron James, Shai Gilgeous-Alexander, Nikola Jokic, tsaka si Kevin Durant. Pretty standard, right? Pretty classic. Pero kung sisilipin mo naman dun sa kabila, East has Giannis Antetokounmpo, Karl Anthony Towns, Jason Tatum, Donovan Mitchell, and Jalen Brunson. Parang sa unang tingin ko sa East, I think this is the first time in a very long while na nagkaroon ng dalawang starters ang New York Knicks sa All-Star Game. And I think they really have been performing well kasi while I'm recording this video, they are currently at the 3rd seed. And hindi madali yun. Kasi mainit din yung Cavs, mainit din yung Celtics. Tapos nandyan din si Giannis na mula no first 2 months ata nung liga, October, November, bro, Bucks were ass. They were at the bottom of the standings. Tas ngayon, nasa 4th sila. You're really gonna have to give it to him. Meanwhile, on the West, of course, you have LeBron, you have KD, and you have Steph. You're gonna have to admit that those 3 players, meron sila mga off games every now and then. Parang yung mga lows ng career nila, like yung walang na-shoot na 3 si Steph sa isang game, or KD really had an off night, ganyan. Mahirap talaga. Pero wala eh. They're the players who carry their teams. Tapos idagdag mo pa si SGA and si Jokic, who I think are still MVP contenders at this point. Now, let's talk about the snubs. To be fair, hindi pa naman na-announce yung kabuuan ng lineup kasi may bench pa sila, may reserves pa. Pero kung meron ako sana na gustong makita, sa East sana I would have wanted to see LaMelo Ball. Like, bro is good. Bro is playing street ball in professional play. He's been averaging at least 28, 5, and 7. Sa West naman, I really wanted to see Wembanyama shine. Because again, you're scoring at least 20 points, 10 rebounds, 3 assists, and then you also have like 3 blocks per game. Pero dahil nga 12 seed ang Hornets, and I think 10th seed ang Spurs, nagmamatter din kasi talaga yun eh, kung gaano kataas ang pwede mong buhat. And Luka's also not here, because I feel like he's been injured for like a lot of games now. So yeah, what do you guys think about this?